Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Using all natural ingredients on your skin, especially your face, is so much healthier and beneficial for you and your skin. Drugstore face washes or even fancy expensive cleanser and lotions can be full of chemicals and other harsh ingredients that are not good at all for your lovely skin. People spend tons of money every year on face and body products to try and moisturize or balance their skin, reduce wrinkles and fight acne and breakouts. But there really is a simple solution. Go natural. This scrub exfoliating and cleansing your skin and will get an amazing results after applying it. Almond meal removes dry dead skin and create a lovely glow, reduces inflammation, contains an abundance of vitamin E, an antioxidant which can help protect your skin from harmful UV rays and is essential to maintain healthy skin, gentle enough to be used on all skin types. Coffee. Since coffee scrubs are packed with antioxidants, they can help the skin combat signs of aging like fine lines, sunspots, wrinkles, dull skin, scars, large pores, and more. Yogurt, moisturizing, brightening, boosting elasticity, easing acne, helping skin infections, reducing inflammation, protecting against UV rays, reducing the signs of skin aging, and toning. Well, let's get started. All we need here is 1 teaspoon of almond meal, 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, 2 teaspoons of yogurt, mix all the ingredients together and apply it on your face and neck. Let it for about 10 minutes. And before applying any face mask or any scrub, don't forget to clean your face firstly. Then gently rub the scrub in upward circles all over your face and neck for 5 minutes. And wash with warm water. Apply a natural toner and moisturizer afterwards. You can try this scrub over your whole body once a week or twice a week. You will get an amazing results. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.